Organic compounds containing carbon, oxygen, double bond are called as carbonyl group. It is one of the most important functional group in organic chemistry. Carbonyl group bonded to one carbon and one hydrogen are called as aldehydes. Carbonyl group bonded to two carbon atoms are called as ketone. Carbonyl group attached to halogen atom are called as acyl halides. Carbonyl group bonded to oxygen atom are called as carboxylic acid. Carbonyl group that has two acyl groups bonded to the same oxygen atom are called as acid anhydride. Carbonyl group bonded to nitrogen atom are called as amides.